Was today I want to talk to you about how to make money using traction marketing. If this is the first time to your channel, my name is Edward Richards. I'm your prosperity influencer. And the aim of this channel is really just to get you, to encourage you, live a life of freedom and prosperity. So we're talking about attraction marketing today and how you can make money with attraction marketing. But what is attraction marketing? You know, attraction marketing is really the strategy or the means or the methods that you use to get your buyers or customers to be aware of your product or your opportunity, you know. So whatever methods you may use, that's the attraction marketing formula. Whatever formula may work for you may not work for another person. You have to find your own way, you have to find your own method. But attraction marketing works. It really does work. So what you really need to do is you need to devise some ways, some methods in which you can use to attract people to your business, people to your opportunity. Because really, as the word suggests, is attraction marketing. And as more and more people join your opportunity, join your business, you make more money. That is how you make money using attraction marketing. Now, what I'm going to talk to you in this very short video is 3 simple steps that you can use in order to make more money using attraction marketing. Right? Now, on a side note, just hit that subscribe button so that you know next time when I send out a video, you get notified by Google. As long as you hit that bell. All right? Now, the 3 steps that you're going to need in order to use attraction marketing to make more money is 1, you need to be more positive. You need to be positive always about your business, about you, about your opportunity. Far too often, you know, you meet people and the atmosphere or the aura around them is so down, is so gloomy, is so dumb that you feel turned off and you really don't want to spend time around them. Now, if you are in a business, what you want to do is flip that around because you don't want to have an atmosphere around you that will turn people away. So you need to be aware. You need to be aware of how you are feeling. You need to be aware of how you look. You need to be aware of how you act, right? I did a video recently about being positive always. Check it out. Because sometimes if you have an issue with always being positive, that video will help you give you steps that you can use in order to maintain a positive atmosphere in your life at all times. All right. So the first step is you need to be positive. You need to have that positivity about you. And one way in which you can be positive is know your product. Right. Once you know what is it that you are selling, what is it that your opportunity will bring to a person, then you feel more confident. And as you feel more confident, you will act and look more positive. Try it. It really does help. Second step is to be more aware, right? And to bring value to the marketplace, right? What you need to do is be aware of what is it that you bring and make sure that your marketplace brings value. You need to provide something to the marketplace so that people will be drawn to you. There are many online marketers who will provide you with a free book, will provide you with a free video just so you can use in order to attract you to them. And those things work. What works for me is training. I've always believed in training. So as long as I see quality training, I will be sending quality training out there to you. Because I believe that as you train and you implement the steps, it will be better for you. You will move forward, you will improve, you will make more money. And as you make more money, I make more money too. Right? So what you need to do is ensure that whatever it is that you're sending out there, it is related to your opportunity or the business that you have. Right? There is no sense in you giving them an ebook about how to raise dogs. And the person is a farmer, right? If you're not raising dogs, the person will not be interested in it. So you need to be relevant to whatever business you're in. You target the right persons and provide the value in order to assist them. Because what you need to be focused on is providing value to your customers, providing value to your buyers. And as you provide value to them, they will be attracted to you and they will say, you know, that person sounds like they will be able to assist me in my business, because at the end of the day, everyone thinks about what's in it for me, what's in it for them, what they want to do in order to just move forward. Because everyone is looking for ways in which they can move forward. So what you need to do is provide value to them to assist them in moving forward. All right. The third step is providing proof. No, and you find this a lot on social media, whereas you find people will post a copy of their earnings for the period, be it a week, be it a month, be it a year. And when others see those earning proof, they say, wow, if he's making so much money during this kind of time period, then I want to join him so that I can too can make some money. What you need to be careful of is the people out there, and you please don't be one of them. We just go and draw out, take a random picture off from the internet and post it and say, this is my earnings, because I see it far too often. And for people who have been around for a while, it's easy to recognize it. It's easy to even find them, those pictures themselves, right? What you can do, if you don't have those proof yourself, you provide the proof from someone in your organization and say, hey, you know, John Brown made X amount of dollars with this opportunity, right? So if John Brown can do it, you can do it too. I am on my way to making it. So what you can do is join me and I will show you how we can go about making it. Because John Brown has made it, John Brown has charted the path, right? And there are always people in your organization who is making it, who's always killing it. Find them, link up with them, get proof from them, and get their permission to use their proof in your marketing efforts. And I can tell you, 99% of the time, the persons who provide those proof will give you permission because they want their organization to grow. All right? So those three steps are: one, be positive always; two, you provide value to the marketplace, to your buyers, to your customers; and three, provide social proof. If you implement all of those, people will be drawn to you and you will make more money. Okay? If you find value in this video, I'm going to ask you to give it a thumbs up. Once again, hit that subscribe button, tap that bell so that you will be notified by Google next time. Oh Lord, did I say Google? YouTube. Next time I send out an opportunity. If you are interested in any training whatsoever, this link down below is only 4 days. It will give you all the training that you need in order to start a business, or to show you how to attract people to your business and to get you moving forward. Because as I always said, if you dream it and believe it, you can achieve it, because you certainly deserve it. Peace.